In this tutorial, I'll show you how to separate or remove two joint subtitles of different languages using Subtitle Edit. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, this is a question that I was asked following a viewer of one of my videos, how to merge two or more subtitles of different languages into one. Now, what they need to know is that they do have both sets of subs as one file. So they have both Chinese and English as one SRT. How do you remove either Chinese or English or any other joint language you have for your SRT? So that's part of what we're going to cover to remove. I'll also show you how you can actually separate or even save the different SRT that is for maybe Chinese into different SRT. So currently they are selecting and deleting each line separately by clicking split, but there is no option for all selected lines to be split or whatever. Now, obviously, as I've written here, it's driving me batty, so I'm assuming it's driving them crazy. I'm going to show you how to do that, and for this first part, you can skip if you already know how to join subtitles using Subtitle Edit, but let's begin. I'll go to Tools, Join Subtitles, and since I already have my subtitles here, an English and a Chinese one, and the video that corresponds to those subtitles, then I'll just kind of even drag and drop these two subtitles right about here. Now I have both here, both 51 lines, same start times, same end times, and then I'll just click on join, and then I'll click on the waveform to just add a video or an audio file for that matter, and this is what everything looks like. You'll see that the English subtitle is at the bottom, the Chinese at the top. If I play this,
in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add text behind a person or moving.
So everything comes in as it is. But one thing you'll notice is that the Chinese cannot be seen here. It's somewhere down here. So what we need to do, actually it's somewhere from line number 52, yes. So what we need to do first is come to Tools and then do something called Sort By Start Time. And once you do that, you'll have your English and then the Chinese. English, Chinese corresponding with the start times, and you can see from the time or the number column that is 1, 52, 2, 53, depending on how the subtitles have been set. So we can call this merged subs and then click on save. So if we actually just open this and open up our merged subtitles in Notepad, just double click on them, you'll see that we have an English, Chinese. It just follows each other as they are. Now that is kinda step one. So based on what they've asked, I'm assuming this is what they have. So probably the number one thing I would do if I was in their position, I would come to this section and then click on Tools and then go to Sort By and then go to By Number. If you do that by number, then what you're going to get is that you're actually going to get everything go back to where it should be, because I'm making an assumption that they use that particular tutorial to join the subtitles. So I'll come to this and then hold down Shift on Windows and then scroll down with the arrow key, down arrow key to the end. Now with this, what we're going to do first is kinda like save this particular selection. So I can just right click and then go to selected lines and then go to save selected lines as, and then we can call this Chinese or something, really depends. Click on save and that is saved. So with the subtitle selected, if I want to delete, I can just press on delete and then yes, delete 51 lines. I know they're 51, click on yes. So once you do that, all the Chinese subtitles will be gone, and I can actually save this and you'll only see it's just the English subtitle. Now let's say we go to file, open, keep video, and then we go to the merge subtitles Chinese and then click on open. What you'll now notice is that yes, they are available. If I play this, they're going to go with the time codes.
In this tutorial,
but because the numbering was different, they were from number 52, then this is going to be a little bit different. So what you're going to need to do is go to Tools and then click on Renumber. Control Shift N, click on that, and then start from number 1. Click OK. And they're going to be renumbered from 1 up to I believe 51 lines. Yeah. So if you wanted to have the different subtitles, then you can do it that way. But if I'm not mistaken, what they needed is to either delete or even separate. So I've actually rolled everything into one. How to merge or join two subtitles into one to kind of play them together in your videos. Next up, how to separate, and then how to remove, and also if you run into issues of numbering, how you can renumber your subtitles. So that is how you can separate or remove joint subtitles, that is of 2 or more languages, using Subtitle Edit. I hope this tutorial and answer video is of value to you. Thanks for watching and asking that question.